based controller. And the main two objectives of the ultraviolet based controller are to increase the life of solar panel and maintain the power factor of the solar panel. So my model works on the basis of where there is a high temperature region. So I am explaining my model. As you already know, when the sun rays normally falls on the surface of solar panel, then the light energy produced from the solar panel converts into the form of electrical energy, and it can be used in several ways that the solar panel is used in charging batteries, etc. But there is a problem. If the light rays which falls on the surface panel is in excess amount, then the photons will be more and the temperature of the solar panel is rising. If the temperature of the solar panel rises, then the solar cells can be destroyed. And if the temperature of the solar panel rises, then the electrons will emit more and more from this solar panel. And the light energy which has to be converted into the form of electrical energy will start converting into the form of heat. Thus, the power factor of the solar panel reduces. So I have placed a black bulb here, which is made up of a white strip and a black strip. The white strip is transparent, but the black strip is made up of carbon, which has a great absorptive power. So when the sun rays strikes on the carbon strip, then the sun rays will absorb, and the intensity of the light rays become less, which falls on the surface of solar panel. Thus, the temperature of the solar panel is maintained, and the solar cells could not be destroyed. So I am increasing the life of the solar panel by saving it from its destroyed. And the power factor will also be maintained, because if the temperature decreases, then the light energy will not convert into the form of heat, it converts into the form of electrical energy. Thus, two problems are solved by this model. And if the intensity of the light rays is more, we can use two black bulbs. Okay? And the solar panel is made up of solar cells, which is made up of highly sensitive semiconductor like silicon.